Glad to see you again. Today, we have something incredibly exciting lined up for you. Phishing, a growing threat. As we continue into the digital age, phishing attacks are becoming more sophisticated and frequent. Cyber criminals are developing increasingly advanced methods, making it more critical than ever for everyone to stay informed and vigilant. Phishing attacks are not random occurrences. They are often meticulously planned and targeted. Cyber criminals use these attacks to deceive individuals into revealing sensitive information like passwords, credit card numbers, and personal data. What's more, these attacks are constantly evolving, with techniques becoming harder to distinguish from legitimate communications. This means we all need to stay alert and be able to recognize the signs of phishing. Criminals often use clever tricks to steal information, such as creating fake websites that look identical to real ones. These deceptive sites trick users into entering their personal data, making it easy for even the most cautious individuals to fall victim. They also frequently impersonate trusted sources, like your bank, an online retailer, or even a social media platform. By pretending to be a trustworthy entity, they can gain your confidence and trick you into sharing sensitive information. For instance, you might receive an email that seems to be from your bank, asking you to verify your account details, or a message claiming an issue with your social media account. These are common phishing tactics used to steal your data. Falling for a phishing attack can lead to serious consequences, including financial loss, identity theft, and a host of other problems. The emotional toll can also be overwhelming. Imagine your online accounts being compromised. Your email, social media, and bank accounts could be taken over by cyber criminals, leading to unauthorized transactions, loss of personal data, and a long, difficult process to regain control. The financial impact can be devastating, and there could also be long-term effects on your credit score and financial stability. It is more important than ever to stay vigilant. Given the growing sophistication of phishing attacks, it's essential to stay informed about the latest tactics and to be cautious when dealing with unsolicited communications. Always verify the source before providing any personal information. Educating yourself and others about phishing signs and best practices for staying safe online is crucial. By staying vigilant, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from these growing threats. ZPHISHER, a powerful tool for simulating phishing attacks. ZPHISHER is a popular tool used for phishing simulations, favored by cybersecurity professionals. Ethical hackers use it to test security awareness and help organizations identify vulnerabilities. ZPHISHER is powerful, easy to use, and offers a range of features and templates to conduct realistic phishing simulations. Understanding how ZPHISHER works is key to building better defenses against phishing attacks. It helps you understand how attackers operate, which is crucial for improving security. Setting up ZPHISHER on Kali Linux is simple. Open your terminal, enter a few commands, and you'll be ready to explore its features. Remember, as a powerful tool, ZPHISHER should only be used ethically and with permission to simulate attacks and improve security. ZPHISHER Unleashed, exploring its features. ZPHISHER offers a variety of features to make phishing simulations more effective. You can spoof websites, create convincing login pages, and capture credentials. One of its key strengths is its vast library of templates, which allow you to simulate phishing attacks targeting social media, email providers, or banks. These templates save time and ensure a realistic experience. Crafting the perfect bait. Template tactics. ZPHISHER templates are customizable, allowing you to tailor them to your target audience. You can adjust the text, images, and logos to make the phishing page as believable as possible. For example, if simulating a phishing attack on a bank, you would use a template that closely mimics the bank's website. Ensuring all details look authentic is critical to increasing your chances of success. Hook, line, and sinker. Launching your campaign. Once you've customized your template, it's time to launch your phishing campaign. The key to success lies in personalization. Tailor the phishing email to appear as legitimate as possible. Pay attention to details like the sender's name, subject line, and email body to make it look convincing. ZPHISHER provides a link to your fake website. The more authentic this site looks, the more likely users are to enter their sensitive information. Share this link through various channels, such as email, social media, or messaging apps, based on the habits of your target audience. Monitor the campaign's performance by tracking how many users click on the link and how many ultimately provide their information. This data helps refine techniques and improve security awareness. Staying safe in a sea of phishing attacks. Phishing attacks have become increasingly sophisticated, and it's crucial to stay vigilant. Now that you understand how phishing tools like ZPHISHER work, you can better protect yourself. Be cautious of suspicious emails or messages. Pay attention to the sender's address, and be wary of generic greetings such as "Dear Customer" or "Dear User." Look out for red flags like grammatical errors or urgent requests, which are common in phishing emails. If an email urges you to act quickly, verify its authenticity before responding. Hover over links to check their destination. If the URL looks suspicious or unfamiliar, don't click on it. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, wherever possible. Even if a cybercriminal gets hold of your password, they would still need the second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone, to access your account. By being vigilant, proactive, and well-informed, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to phishing attacks. Regularly update your passwords, use strong and unique passwords for each account, and stay informed about the latest phishing tactics. The ethical hacker's dilemma. Ethical hackers play a vital role in cybersecurity. They use tools like ZPHISHER for good, helping organizations identify weaknesses in their security systems. However, it's important to remember that using phishing tools for unethical purposes is illegal. Always seek proper authorization before conducting phishing simulations, respect privacy, and never misuse your knowledge for personal gain. Never stop learning. Cybersecurity in a dynamic world. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, with new threats emerging every day. To stay ahead of cybercriminals, continuous learning is essential. Explore online resources, attend webinars, and engage with cybersecurity communities. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the ever-changing landscape of cybersecurity. Thanks for watching and learning with us. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. We value your feedback. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Stay safe online.